In today's video, I'm going to teach you Emergent AI App Builder product review and is it different from other app builders. Let's start right at the source. Open the Emergent AI powered app development homepage. This is the hub where you'll kick off any new project. The interface is clean and straightforward so you can get moving quickly without hunting through menus. From here, we'll explore how Emergent helps you go from an idea to working code with minimal friction. First, choose the mobile app option. This is where Emergent begins to stand apart. Instead of locking you into rigid templates or pure drag and drop, it uses AI to generate real project scaffolding and code based on your intent. You describe what you want, it proposes a structure, and you can iterate conversationally. That combination, natural language guidance plus code you can own, makes it feel more like collaborating with a smart teammate than filling out a form. Back on the home screen, you'll also notice there are multiple starting points, including full stack app, mobile app, and landing page. That flexibility matters. You don't have to switch tools to build different surfaces of the same product. You can spin up a simple marketing page, a mobile experience, or a full application from one place, which helps keep design choices and architecture consistent. To show you what this looks like in practice, here's an example project I built with Emergent. The AI created a sensible folder structure, basic navigation, placeholder screens, and starter logic that I could refine. It got me to something clickable fast, then let me layer on details without starting over. Inside the workspace, Emergent surfaces helpful features that make iteration smooth. There's an integrated AI chat you can use to request changes in plain language, regenerate sections, or ask for explanations of the code it produced. You can preview results quickly, then dive back into the chat to adjust components, copy, or styles. Another feature I appreciate is how transparent the code is. When you click Open in Browser, Emergent launches a browser-based code editor with a familiar layout, so it feels comfortable if you've used modern editors before. You can inspect the file tree, read the generated code, and understand exactly how things are wired. This isn't a black box. Finally, if you want to take the work elsewhere, you can download each file. That's perfect for pulling specific components into an existing repository or handing assets to a teammate. It reinforces a key difference. Many builders generate locked-in projects, while Emergent gives you portable, editable code. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.